Julia Marino is an American snowboarder. Marino competed in the 2022 Beijing Olympics, winning silver in women's snowboard slopestyle. She was born on September 11, 1997 on Westport, Connecticut, United States. She educated at St. Joseph High School. Marino, meanwhile, took silver to win her first Olympic medal and the first for Team USA in these games. With Marino in the lead, Sadowski-Synnott dropped in for the final run of the contest and landed back-to-back tens, landing far down the final jump after getting massive amplitude. Marino placed 6th in qualifying for the final, but stunned with her second run, which scored her an 87.68, enough to cement her standing on the podium after a fall in her third run. In all, Marino had 8 podiums in international and elite events during the 2017-18 competition season. As a rookie in the 2017 X Games at Aspen's Buttermilk Mountain, she won gold in slopestyle and a bronze in big air, the first female snowboard athlete to win 2 medals at the same games in 17 years. On her gold medal run, she became the first female to land a cab 900 double underflip in an X Games women's slopestyle contest. She followed this up at the X Games in Hafjell, Norway with a silver in big air and a bronze in slopestyle for a total of 4 X Games medals in her rookie year. Marino entered the sport with great promise, having completed the first double in women's slopestyle competition at age 18.